Hello everyone, so this is a quick tutorial on how to make a YouTube channel for your assignment submissions. So first thing first, log into YouTube just like you log into the YouTube, and then we're gonna go to over here, click your profile icon right there, and then if you haven't created a channel, it's gonna pop up this create a channel option here. But if you have, you can also make another channel not using your name. So that is something. So if you don't want to share your personal videos in your YouTube channel, you can always either make a new Google account, or you can make like another separate channel not using your name. So that is another way you can do it. So we're gonna go to create a channel and get started. And I'll suggest that you stick with your own legal name so that I can see whose channel is and whatnot. But if you were to use even if you make a channel with using your name, later on you will be able to make another channel, separate channel that is linked to your Google account, but with a custom name, so you can have two channels without any problem. So for this purpose, let's use the your name for your channel. In this case, I just made this Google account, and I'm just gonna use this Google account and go to select. Then now it's gonna create a channel for us. So now there is nothing going on. So what is going on here? Give me 1 second. Oh, well, that was weird, but anyway, so we now successfully create a channel. If that didn't work, just keep on trying, or you can find another video on the YouTube to see if there's a tutorial for the how to make a channel. I'm sure there are millions of them. Anyway, so first things first, we're gonna organize our playlist. So for videography, you want to make 3 different playlists just for the videography. So we're gonna go to your channel, and then, well, actually, we're gonna go to library right here. Then we're gonna go to playlist. Oh, well, that's not it. Was it the studio? Okay, a little more. I'm just gonna close that. Gonna go to playlist. We're gonna create a new playlist right here. Then first one, we're gonna name it as videography space dash space video journal. Okay, and then make sure that visibility is public. So hit create. But if you don't wanna make the visibility public, meaning that public means that anyone can see. But if you change it to unlisted, only the people with the link will be able to see this playlist. But if you were to change it to private, only you can view the playlist, which will be not good for this purpose, because you're using your YouTube channel to submit your works. So I and the class will have to be able to see your playlist. So make sure that it is either public or unlisted. Okay, so that is videography video journal. We're gonna make another one called videography weekly assignment submission, and then we're gonna hit create. Actually, just make 2 playlists, just submission and video journal. So I think that should be good, and that is all you need. And each time, if you so we're gonna be working on the first project right away. So let's make another playlist for first project. So videography project 1. Actually, let's just name it. Call it your space. Videography dash your no. Let's name it project 1. It's easier to see, easier to know what it is. Okay, and hit create. Alright, so now we created 3 playlists. So video journal playlist, what you're gonna do, you're gonna upload the video journal videos every week here. And then submission, this is mainly going to be used for like a one-time submission. For instance, 1 week I assign you guys to make like a quick video, and this playlist will be used as a just general submission for your video. And the project one here, it is going to be used for all of your raw shots and final submission as well. So as we move on to project 2, we're gonna make another playlist called Videography Project 2. Okay, so that is how you set up your YouTube channel. And to upload the video, what you can do is you can always click right here, and then there should be upload videos right there. Then what you want to do is, for instance, if I want to upload a file there, give me 1 second. Where's the demos? That's weird. Well, anyway. Okay, so if you wanna just drag, so for instance, let's say I have a file like this, and this is the file that I wanna upload. So just drag and drop there, and let's name it Videography, and let's say it's a week 1 journal. Not journal, say like assignment 1. So you can always say assignment 1, and then description. I mean, you can put in description, but you don't really have to. But what you have to focus on is playlist. So make sure that you upload your video into the assign the correct playlist. Otherwise, I won't be able to find it. So always go there, and then since this is like a one-time assignment submission, I'm gonna use the general submission playlist right here, and hit done. And then we're gonna go down, and it's gonna ask, is this video made for kids? And only check this if it is intended to be shown to kids, but in this case it is not. So we're just gonna hit no there. Then we're gonna go next. And you can add like an end screen, add a card, and blah blah blah. In this case, we're not gonna do that, so we're just gonna go to next, and then make sure that this is either public or unlisted. But I'm just gonna set it as a public, and we're not worrying about the schedule. And what you want to do is just hit publish, and then it's gonna upload it, and then it's gonna process it. So this will depends on the size of the video. It might take 1 minute to 5 minutes. So after you've done that, you can always close this. You can close this. It's gonna run the uploading, and the processing will be running in the background. So you can always close this prompt, and it's gonna upload a video. So if you go to content right here, you'll be able to see the video that is processing right now. So it says that processing will begin shortly. But if you want to make an edit, you can always hover your cursor over it, and then you can click this pencil icon, and then you'll be able to change the details of your video and hit save. Excuse me. And then go to channel content. Okay, so that is the basics of the YouTube Studio and how to set up your YouTube channel and how to upload your YouTube video on a correct playlist. So I'll see you guys on the next tutorial or demo.